Hey guys, this is Steven from Nikola Pro. Today I'm going to show you how to install our center console wrap kit for the Tesla Model 3. Inside the kit you'll find 5 pieces of vinyl with transfer tape on top. One for the cup holder, middle, top, phone holder, and uppermost sections. You'll also find a 2-sided squeegee with felt, an alignment card for the cup holder section, and 2 cleaning wipes to clean the surface of your center console. The backing paper of each piece has pre-cut sections that make for an easier installation. Follow the same order for removing these pieces as shown in the video later on. Before installing each piece, use the squeegee to apply pressure on the transfer tape to ensure it is fully adhered. The transfer tape is there to protect the piece from scratches during shipping and installation. Do not remove this layer until after each piece has been installed. Starting off with the cup holder piece, take the alignment card included with your kit and place it in between the gloss black plastic and the silver rim. We will use this to position the vinyl correctly. Peel off the section of backing paper surrounding the 2 cup holders and align the piece so the black bar of the alignment card is visible within the cutout of the vinyl. Also ensure that the vinyl piece is covering the gloss black finish of your center console at the bottom and top. Once aligned, apply pressure using the squeegee. Peel off the next section of backing paper at the bottom and apply pressure again. Continue this until both sections have been removed. Fold over the lip on the bottom using your finger. Use the squeegee to tuck in the sides. Now move on to the piece of backing paper at the top. Do not fold over the upper lip until after the transfer tape has been removed. Apply pressure to the handles using the squeegee and then peel off the layer of transfer tape slowly. If the vinyl stays adhered to the transfer tape, use the squeegee to apply a moderate amount of pressure and peel back again. Remove the cup holder backing paper cutout and alignment card from the cup holder. Remove any bubbles using the felt side of the squeegee. Tuck in the left and right sides underneath the silver trim. Fold over the lip at the top using your fingers. Fold over the vinyl overhanging the cup holders using your fingers. Moving on to the middle section, remove the first piece of backing paper and align the top left and right corners to the top corners of the center console. This will leave an overhang on the top that we will fold over later. Use the squeegee to apply pressure along the piece and move on to the next section of backing paper. Continue going down until both sections have been removed. Push the top of the middle section to lift up the lower portion. Fold the vinyl over using your finger and press it in with the squeegee. Apply pressure on the edges of the handles and then peel the transfer tape layer off. Hold down the vinyl underneath to ensure it does not peel with the tape. Use the squeegee to remove any bubbles and fold over the edges. Fold over the overhanging vinyl on top with your fingers. Now for the top section. Peel off the first piece of backing paper and align it to the corners of the center console on the bottom. This will create an overhang that we will fold over later. Also ensure that the center console is completely covered on the upper left and right. Continue moving up, peeling one piece of backing paper at a time. Raise the entire top section up and apply pressure on the handles using your fingers. Peel off the layer of transfer tape on top and fold over the overhanging vinyl at the bottom. Use the squeegee to remove any bubbles and fold over the edges. The section at the very top is somewhat difficult to reach and not visible from most normal driving angles, so it's an optional install. Start off by peeling the first section of backing paper closest to the tab on the left. Place the piece so it covers all of the gloss black, and then remove the next section of backing paper and align it again. Continue doing this until all of the backing paper sections have been removed. Apply moderate pressure across the entire piece and then peel off the layer of transfer tape using the tab on the left. Use the squeegee to tuck in the vinyl overhanging on the bottom. Slide the phone holder piece to the left to remove it from the phone dock. Peel off the first section of backing paper on the opposite side of the small tab. Align the piece to the back of the phone holder part. Fold it over and apply pressure. Remove the last section of backing paper and apply pressure, then remove the transfer tape layer using the small tab at the bottom. If the vinyl starts to come off with the transfer tape, apply a moderate amount of pressure and then peel back again. As always, thank you guys for watching. You can contact us any day of the week via email, through our website, or on Twitter.